Today we're going to make these cute Christmas ornaments using some Scrabble pieces.
For today's craft here, we're going to need some ribbon, scissors, whatever you want for your Scrabble pieces, whatever words you want to use. I'm using joy today, and some glue. Now, in terms of your ribbon, you can see this one is thin, and when I say thin, it just means that my Scrabble piece goes over each side. That's okay, but if you want something a little different, let me just show you this one. This one is where my ribbon was a little bit thicker and there was a little bit of an edge on each side. So you have to decide what you want yours to look like. This is one of them here. Oh, and you know what else we forgot? We forgot some ribbon to put at the top. So you also need ribbon. Here I have gold, which I've used here. I think today I am going to use red. So go ahead, grab your supplies, and we will work on making our Scrabble ornament. Once you have the ribbon you've decided on, all you actually need is this glue. If you use hot glue, it holds faster, but this one here, I use with this glue, it is no problem. It holds nicely, everything is absolutely fine. So whatever's gonna work for you. The first thing we're going to do is we want to take the top of our ribbon and we're going to fold it over like this, so there's a little loop, and glue that down. That's going to allow us to put the ribbon through so that we can hang it up. So I'm going to actually, because I'm using this type of glue, I'm going to use quite a bit of it. If you were using hot glue, you wouldn't need as much. And I'm just going to fold it over in that place, and I'm going to hold it. And that should secure it. So there I have my little loop. Now I'm going to place everything on top of it. And so here's my loop. I want to leave a little space. I'm going to place the J. Now you could put them close together like this or leave a little space in between. I like when there's a letter, a tiny little space so you can see the ribbon, a letter, a tiny little space so you can see the ribbon. Now I haven't cut it yet. You're more than welcome to cut yours, but I don't cut mine until the end. But if you find there's a lot of ribbon and this is bothering you, just cut a little bit off and leave a little bit. Once you figure out how you want it to look, then you can just glue everything on. Now because you're using, if you're using white glue, if you're using just white glue, put a lot of glue on. So you need quite a bit of glue. If you are using a hot glue gun, then you don't need as much. Once I have that, I'm going to take my scissors, and you can go straight across if you would like. You can cut kind of like two little V's, however you want it to look. But I'm going to go down a little bit, cut here, just to see what it's going to look like when I go straight across. So that's just straight across, and you could even go closer. But I think what I want to do is I'm going to cut a little diagonal here. I'm going to cut a little diagonal this way so that it meets up. Oh, it didn't quite meet, so let's try that again. Another little diagonal this way, and then we'll see what the end looks like here. There we go. And then I kind of get a little decorative end. Now don't worry, you don't have to do that. For this one, I just went straight across, and I quite like the straight across as well. Now we have to just take some ribbon. I'm going to use red today. I'm going to tie a little knot at the top of my ribbon and put it through first and then tie a knot. So you just take a little bit of ribbon, take one end, put it through the loop you created, tie a knot, and you will have yourself a Scrabble ornament. It's so cute. You can say whatever you want. And there we go. We've got one with joy and one with the name Murphy.
Thanks for joining me on Craft Club for Kids to make these super cute ornaments. Remember, be creative and have fun.